Okay, today we're going to look at the Champ PH820XL oil filter. And you can get this at Rock Auto for $3.68. So let's get started. Except for it's supposed to, you got a silicone here, filtration. Okay, I'll first look at the box. 99% efficiency rating, but I don't know what the micron is. So I would guess it's probably for 20 microns. Product of USA. There's the date code 071917C. It's 6 inlet holes. You get some nice threads there. It's probably about 6 there, I guess. Feels thick. This O-ring is really nice. It's on here really good. This shouldn't come off when you're changing your oil filter. Yeah, that's on there really good. I say we cut her open and see what she looks like inside. Okay, here she is cut open. Let's get her weight. 13.5 ounces. Here's your base plate. It's pretty thick. Let's see how much it weighs. 6.4 ounces. Pretty heavy. It's a big filter. Yeah, it's a good base plate. Get your anti-drain back valve, which is silicone. This is nice. This is what they all should have. And the filter, it's got the metal end caps. I counted 62 pleats. And I think that's where the seam is. They're pretty evenly spaced. Not no really excess glue or anything. That looks good. The width. Almost 2 inches wide. Let's see. Get it this way. You can see it's a pretty big filter. 3.3 inches. 2.53. And got your stamp leaf spring. Pretty good size, so it shouldn't collapse. Bypass. Oh, it looks good there. I don't know the setting on it. If anybody knows what the well, this is supposed to be a synthetic blend media, but I don't have a micron rating. I couldn't find one. If anybody knows it, just put it in the comments below. It's even got a, I'm assuming that's some kind of date code they have for this filter media. Let's see, in the can is I was getting like 0.34. Yeah, 0.3. It's normal. It's about what the Super Techs are. A lot of them are that size. But it's okay. Yeah, it's a lot of pleats here. This looks like it probably would be a long one. The filter media looks fine. Looks like a well-made filter. I say we cut this open and see how long she is. Okay, this is a long one. So as I thought, goes over my table here. She's 90 inches long. Look at that. About 90 inches. It's a lot of filter media. Okay, and here's the seam. I thought it had an inside glued seam. That's a lot of filter media. It feels nice too. This is a pretty good filter for under $4. Hey, this is a nice, real good filter. It's got the silicone valve and drain back valve there. It's a pretty good filter for under $4. I would use it. Pretty good. Not bad. This is all nice and sturdy. I wonder if, you know, sometimes maybe the holes are better than the louvers, but they're probably bigger. But overall, I'd say it's a pretty good filter. Very long, too. This one here fits some of your Ford F-150s. So anyways, hey, if you liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and take care.